Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today going into another section of the Tekton website. Once again, obviously if you haven't watched my Tekton videos before, I want to mention this. If you're looking for very affordable tools that are very good quality, I really do suggest Tekton. They've been very good to me, and I've really enjoyed all the tools that I've purchased from them. If you're thinking about it, it's easiest to buy the stuff off of Tekton just because it's a very user-friendly website. Plus, if you create an account, shipping is always free, and you get 10% back in rewards. So if you spend $100, $10 goes onto your account that you can use for your next purchase on the Tekton website, which is absolutely amazing. They have a student program as well as one of the best warranties available in the tool industry. So just keep that in mind. Very good quality tools for a really good price. I've already went over chrome sockets, impact sockets, ratchets, wrenches, screwdrivers, all of that. So now we're moving on to pliers. A very user-friendly platform, very easy. It's free to make an account. So just think about it if you're interested. Once again, it'll be down in the description. The website will be linked there so you guys can easily get there from this video. And I also have links to other products as well if you're interested. But let's get into the pliers today. So here are their slip joint pliers, and I do believe these are made in the USA, very affordable. And here we just have a selection of all the pliers, and so it'll bring up individuals, and then we'll get into the sets here in a little bit. The specs, yes, this set is made in the USA. They have a lot of products made in the USA. Their wrenches, their angle head wrench sets, those are absolutely amazing, really well priced and made in the USA. All of their new screwdrivers are all made in the USA, and their pliers is a mix-up. Some of them are USA, some of them are Taiwan. So just keep that in mind, but all the information is shared there. They're not trying to hide anything. So just keep that in mind. It's very easy to find where the tool is made from. Obviously, it also states it on the tool if it's made in the USA. So the slip joint pliers are USA made, or the groove joint, I guess. Wow, I call these tongue and groove pliers. My bad. And then these are the slip joints. So we'll go ahead and click on these, and I do believe these are also made in the USA. I actually have these pliers. These are actually some really good pliers. I like the different teeth designs. Uh, good for various different situations. So, like you can see here, it says universal 3-zone jaws. Let's actually take a close-up look. Yes, it does state USA right there. And more information on the pliers is provided below, as well as all the specs of the pliers as well. Then moving down, they're long nose pliers, 7, 8, 6 with a bent tip, 70-degree bent long nose pliers, and they're duckbill pliers. I have the duckbills, and they're really nice. I needed a pair of long duckbill pliers, and they seem to work very well. So as you can see, everything is very affordable, and you won't be disappointed in quality. Tekton does a really good job of if there's something that somebody's not satisfied with, they actually listen to their customers, they take it into consideration, they re-engineer and redesign their tools and re-release a product that people are happy with. You do have cross hatching, which is really nice, so you can grab things from different directions, and it grips it a lot better than your standard straight teeth, like it states right here. You do have a cutter, knife to knife edges, And this set of pliers is going to be made in Taiwan, so it's right there, easy to find. Underneath that row, we do have the hose ring pliers. These are good for pulling hoses off in an engine bay or anything like that. It's also good for some connectors where it's got a tab on each side and you got to push in both tabs on each side of the connector. These are very handy for that. Those are going to be made in Taiwan as well. Same with these mini needle nose pliers. Here are some smaller duckbill pliers or flat nose. Here they have dikes or diagonal side cutters, end nippers, cable cutters, and lineman pliers. And I do believe these are made in Taiwan as well. But whether it's made in Taiwan or the USA, they're priced very well, especially for the quality of tool that you're getting. So once again, no matter what you click on, you get a wide array of information that is provided to you about each individual tool, which I think is amazing. There it is, Taiwan. All the specs of every part of the set of pliers. I mean, there's a lot of information given here, so you really know what you're purchasing and what it's going to be good for. Moving back after the lineman pliers, we do have wire cutters as well as mini diagonal side cutters and end nippers. Specialty pliers, they do have the nut jaw pliers and mini plier sets. And then we'll be getting more into the locking pliers. Personally, I haven't used them, so I can't really say much, but because I already have a couple pair and haven't really had the need to purchase any more, so but they do have a wide variety of locking pliers and sets. Once again, priced very well. And here you actually get into their plier sets. Once again, like I stated, these slip joints and the tongue and groove are USA made. Taiwan for the needle nose or long nose, whatever you want to call them. But a wide variety of sets that you can purchase as well, and I do believe it saves you a little bit of money if you purchase the sets instead of individual pliers. I do like the grips on these. They're your standard grip. It resists oils and chemicals and everything, and you can get into a little bit tighter spaces than when you have a plier set with comfort grips, which tend to be a little bit bulkier. And then they do sell a plier organizer as well. So that's really it as far as the pliers go. Very good quality. I think I have 5 or 6 different pliers from them, and they've all held up very well. And I'm really happy with them. So if you guys own any of their pliers, please let me know your guys' thoughts, how your experience has been with them, or if you're thinking about purchasing them. I do suggest them. They've been good to me. So once again, the link is down in the description for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment as well, and I'd be happy to help you out if I can. But other than that, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.